Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Terrain. Stock number is 18G503A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.